My name is Tony Bishop with Upstate Office Rentals. We're based here in Greenville, have office space, a lot of variety of either small or larger space. I wanted to tell you a little bit today, kind of some secrets of the business, kind of help you figure out how to rent space. All right, so let's say you're a bigger company, maybe you need 1,500 square feet, maybe you have 5 or 6 people working for you, and you need office space. So the first thing most of you do is you're going to call a broker, one of the big firms, Earl Furman, Cardinal. There's a lot of different brokerage firms in Greenville. So you're going to call somebody and they're going to show you property. Now keep in mind, you have to understand how brokers get paid, and this will help you out. So brokers are going to get paid a percentage, usually 6% of your gross rents over a time period. So in other words, and you're not paying them, the landlord's paying the broker. But I just want you to understand the broker's behavior, what they have to do. So they want a 36-month contract. Why? One, because if you're a landlord and you hire a broker and you can pay them 6%, then you want them to perform. You want a strong contract. So usually it's 3 years. It's a personal guarantee, so you can't get out of it. So it's and then what happens is, let's say that is $100,000 in rent, and the broker gets 6% of that. They make $6,000. So the minute you sign the lease and you show up, the broker gets his $6,000. So just keep in mind, when you're working with the broker, what are they going to do? They're going to make sure you sign a 3-year contract. Now, when you do this on your own, you don't need a broker. You can look on Craigslist, you can look on LoopNet, CoStar. There's different, if you look on the internet, you'll find people renting office space not through a broker. What's the advantage? If you can work directly with the landlord, then they don't have to pay the 6% commission to a broker. They're more willing to work with you. They may do a year lease instead of a 3-year lease. They may do a 6-month lease. You never know, they may do month to month for you, so it gives you the flexibility to change if your situation changes. So just want to make sure you kind of had this information. I know that if you're not, most of you guys are business owners and you don't have time to go out and really study this, but it really would help if you try to do it on your own, not use a broker, go directly to the landlord. So look on Craigslist. Most of the landlords list their stuff on Craigslist. They put it on CoStar. Work directly with them first. That would be my first approach. And then if you couldn't find anything that way, then I'd obviously go to a broker as my second choice, not my first. Okay? This is Tony Bishop with Upstate Offices. We do have properties. We have 4 office buildings in Pelham Road, Haywood area. Be glad to help you. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll have my numbers here. You can text me, email me. I'll be glad to advise you any way I can.